Hey guys, how are you all? Redmi is all set to launch their first flagship phone powered by Snapdragon 855 processor in a fresh leak where we get to see an alleged screen protector showing the specification of the phone and the name of the phone. It is Redmi K20 Pro. As Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi is going to launch their first flagship phone by the name Redmi K20 Pro. Redmi has made a great move. Now we don't have to buy the overpriced flagship from many brands. So this phone will create a huge competition and other brands have to fear about their overpriced smartphones. So let's start the specification or expected or leaked specification of this phone. Redmi K20 Pro will sport a 6.39-inch of AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. It is completely a notchless display as we are having a pop-up camera in this phone. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 855, the powerful processor from Qualcomm Snapdragon, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 8GB of RAM. This phone will have an internal storage of 128GB. So talking about the camera, this phone will sport a triple rear camera of 48MP plus 13MP plus 8MP, where 48MP is a primary lens which can sport a Sony IMX586 sensor or a Sony IMX519 sensor, which we can see this is the same sensor used in the OnePlus 6T. The selfie pop-up camera is of 20MP to take best clear detailed selfies. This phone is going to sport a huge 4100 mAh of battery or 4000 mAh of battery with a fast charging support. It will have an 27 watt fast charging support. The cost of this phone is not yet revealed, but we are expecting that this phone will cost you around $450 to $500. The launch date is not revealed yet. It is expected that this phone will launch in June or July 2019. So this is all about Redmi K20 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.